we would like to encourage you, before you get on with the installation, to watch a few other videos that we have on our channel. One of those videos is the suggestion for the install environment. Where are you going to be putting the film on? The other is, has your car been waxed or ceramic coated lately? There's some information you need to know under that circumstance. And then the other one is the solutions you're going to use to actually put the film on the car. There's a soapy solution and an alcohol solution. We want you to mix those correctly, so be sure to watch that video too. Now, to prepare for the actual installation of the paint protection film, first off, you want to make the appropriate solutions that you're going to use, whether that's the soap solution or the alcohol solution. Second, you can't be clean enough. Clean, clean, clean. You want to wash your hands maybe 2 or 3 times in a row. And then you want to wash the area of your car where you're going to put the film. If you're going to put it on the front of your hood, wash your entire hood. We don't want any extra little runnel of water coming down and bringing junk off the top of your hood and getting it under the film. So you want to be very, very clean. And then after you've washed it, run your hand carefully over the paint. If it doesn't feel like absolutely perfectly smooth glass, then you really should clean it some more. Look up clay bar. Try to see some videos. There's plenty of videos on how to use a clay bar. It's literally a piece of clay that will help you go over your paint and clean the imperfections off the top. Also, there's a product that we've used a lot called Meguiar's Scratch X. Sometimes, especially on white or very light vehicles, there can be a stain from a bird dropping, from a bug splatter. Meguiar's Scratch X can go over those and clean that off of the paint. Whatever you do, you really want to go over it well. Another product that works well is a product called Iron X. Iron X will dissolve fallout of iron that gets on your vehicle. On a white car, you'll see all these little purple streaks when it melts away the iron. Pretty interesting to see. Finally, we typically will give you a spare piece of practice film with your kit, what you're going to put on your car. Use it, practice with it, see how it is to work with. One of the things that a lot of people will do is see how strong and tough it is also. So this gives you a chance to experiment before you install.